Welcome to the DentalManager Showcase. In this video, you'll discover some of the app's main features. Installation. After purchase, you'll download the installer. Once the installation is complete, the app shortcuts will be created automatically. Starting the server. Run the app launcher to start the server. It usually takes less than a minute, but the time may vary depending on your system configuration. Authentication. The local server runs on port 8080 of your machine. To authenticate the app and unlock cloud features like Google Calendar and Google Drive integration, go to localhost 8080/authorize. Click the button to continue the authentication process and accept the required permissions. You'll be redirected to the login screen to access the app. Once authenticated, the program will display an alert showing the server's IP address. With this IP, you'll be able to access the app from other devices connected to the same network. To use the Google Sync features, you must authenticate /authorize at least once each time you run the app. The app creates a dedicated calendar in your Google account. This keeps your personal and professional life separate while giving you quick access to your schedule wherever you are. Adding a new patient. Using the third icon in the main menu, you can enter the patient's information. If the patient has a Gmail address, Google Calendar will automatically send them a notification to confirm the appointment. Their calendar will also show an entry with the appointment's date, time, title, and description. If a valid email is not provided, the appointment will be saved in the database, but you'll need to confirm it with the patient manually. Accessing patient files. Using the second icon in the main menu, you'll find the patient files section, which includes a search function. Odontogram. In this section, you can add procedures for each session and filter them by tooth by clicking on the corresponding image. Sessions can be edited or deleted using the buttons on the right. Managing payments. You can add, edit, and delete payment records for each patient. When you create a payment, it will automatically be linked to the currently open patient file, whose name appears below the container. The last three fields contain payment information that is autofilled. If you complete any two of these fields, the third will be calculated automatically, as long as one of the fields is left empty. The checkboxes on the left allow you to select payments to add them to the print queue. To print them, go to the Print tab and generate the payment reports. Documents. In the Print section, you can generate medical certificates, prescriptions, and payment reports. Once you select the document type, you can print it directly or save it for later editing. The app will display the save location once the file is generated. The dental license number is stored in the database after the first time you enter it, so there's no need to retype it each time. Prescriptions come with an autocomplete system for commonly used medications. If the medicine you need isn't on the list, just type it in manually. Settings. In the Settings section, you'll find the option to create a backup. If you're signed in with your Google account, the backup will automatically be uploaded to your Google Drive. This gives you a secure off-device copy in case your local server has any issues. Once you click the backup button, wait for the confirmation alert letting you know it was created successfully. Below, you'll also find the Restore Backup button. The app will restore the latest available backup from the backup folder. You can also set the automatic backup frequency and change the app's language. Creating an appointment. Click the day and time you want to schedule the appointment, and the app will fill in those details automatically. It will also insert the name of the patient currently being viewed. Click outside the container to close it. Google Calendar Sync. You might notice that the appointment appears twice. This happens because I used my own email to show how it looks from both the dentist's and the client's perspective. At first, the appointment will appear unconfirmed. Once the patient confirms it, its color will change to the standard one. The event will be added to the patient's primary calendar. In the dentist's view, the appointment will show up in the DentalManager calendar. You can filter which calendars are visible by checking or unchecking the boxes on the left. How to shut down the server. To shut down the server, it's not enough to just close the browser window. In the Settings section, you'll find a Shut Down Server button. This properly closes the database and prevents data corruption. You'll receive an alert once the server shuts down successfully. For more information about our software, visit our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about all the features and updates of the app.